Question 39. What is the best predicted test score for a student who spent 3 hours preparing? Okay, so we just said that the independent variable was the hours of preparation, and we said that the dependent variable was the exam score. So we'll just say scores. Okay, so the independent variable is x and the dependent variable is y. Okay, we just said that we were looking for 3 hours of preparation. So what they just gave us was an x value of 3. And so they're looking for a y value. So all we need to do is plug in 3 into the formula that they gave us. So 67.3 plus 1.07 times 3. So that should give us 70.51, which should be our final answer.